This wonderful 2008 Volkswagen Passat has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This vehicle has comfortable black seats, and is equipped with a responsive 3.6-liter 6-cylinder 24-valve engine, a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, and has the safety and security of all-wheel drive with a limited slip differential. Its electronic features include an AM/FM stereo system, a CD player and a keyless entry system. For the safety of you and your passengers, this vehicle has a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, child safety locks and daytime running lights. Call or come by today to arrange a test drive.